I'm dead. This is a difficult mission.
Now, let Omega Supreme come.
Target the Seekers! Get those Decepticons out of the sky!
Looks like the Autobots are still using these guns, Megatron. Our Seekers are getting shredded.
There's all sorts of interesting bugs going on right now. Like, for example, I'm stuck on this thing. I can't use this gun.
I think some of it's classes.
I don't have no HUD at all. I can't see my weapons or ammo. I don't even have a target thing.
Dead. Is there a gun up there?
Omega Supreme!
Precisely as I had planned. Decepticons,
that is
man the
nice
turrets
gun.
and blast that obsolete Hulk out of the sky! Targets reacquired. Attack commencing. Decepticons, prepare for destruction.
Oh, fuck. Okay, that didn't work.
I think I was invulnerable, actually. Something weird happened.
Were you cheating?
No.
Analysis indicates.
Speaking of Omega Supreme,
Precisely as I had planned. Decepticons, man the turret. Prepare for destruction.
Okay, we're killing it. Just taking a ball.
just has unlimited ammo. This is gun I'm using.
Omega Supreme's main weapon batteries are charging. Prepare for evasive action.
Run, run.
Keep firing, Decepticons. The turrets are wearing down Omega Supreme's defenses. Homing rockets, take cover!
Guy's got a big shield up now.
Yeah, we can make that
Omega bleeds like a coward. Now, let's finish the job.